Okay, good morning, Math 9, and another week coming up. Today is Monday, April the 20th, and hoping you guys we're all having a great weekend. And now, first thing I'm going to talk about is the preparation for the next unit, and you need to make sure you can get off some grid paper at home. Okay, borrow graph papers from your brothers and sisters. Get some graph paper. Okay, ready for the next unit. So next unit is mainly you're dealing with a graphing linear relation. And so the next item has something to do with the lesson. And let me get this focus. Okay. So let me try it again. All right, great. Now, and let's say on Friday, okay, this is one of the questions. So mainly the test format for sure is one question, one page, serving the purpose that would allow me to be able to mark online. Okay, so if you guys are trying to scramble too many questions on one paper, and would be very difficult for me to see the steps. And so that's, in general, the format is going to be maybe 3 or 4 questions, 1 question per page. Okay, it's going to be a time test. And so I would say, inform you details about the test format in terms of at what time the test we start on Friday. So coming Friday, the 24th, I believe. All right. So this is one of the question. Okay, one of the question you guys are going to be asked to work on is a review of a process called using the LCD to get rid of the denominator. And so I'm going to refocus again. Someone change it. Okay, great. Oops. Let's see. All right. I hope. Okay. Now this question here, the LCD, of course, so normally we expect grade 9 students to be able to tell the number 12 is divisible by 3, by 4, and by 2. And individuals still not able to find the LCD, you can multiply all the 3 numbers, unlike bottom numbers, like 2, 4, and 3. They don't look alike. You multiply them, you can use 24. And it will give you the same answer. Okay? It will give you the same answer. So after I identified the LCD, then you multiply every term by 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 fractions. So using 12 4 times. So you see 12 over 1 times 1/4 plus 12 over 1 times 3 over 2y. You can move the y back to the top. Then 12 over 1 times 9y over 4 times minus 5 over 3 times 12 over 1. Or you can put 12 over 1 in front. Okay, doesn't matter. Whether you're going to move it in front or at the back is up to you. Even grade 11, grade 12 students so struggling with the meaning of, for example, this expression. 3 over 2y means 3y divided by 2. Or 3 times y divided by 2. Alright, so after that, either use your calculator or use your math skill, then 12 times 1 divided by 4, which is 3. Then 12 times 3 divided by 2, which is 18. Twelve times 9 divided by 4, which is 27. And then 5 times 12 divided by 3, which is 20. So beautiful, see? Multiplying the equation by the LCD, get rid of all the denominators. So the debate, of course, or the rationale behind the step is now we're creating an equation easier in terms of what better for us to come up with the most accurate result. So now we're looking at equation containing variable on both sides. And I said before, the priority given to the variable term or the letter. 27 is more than 18. Okay? So, which means it would be wise to keep the variable term on this side. So with that decision, then both sides subtract 18y. Okay? So that's going to give you 9y minus 20, and 18y minus 18y cancel 3. Then so now the negative 20 has to be arranged on this side, because this side reserved for the y, which means this side must be reserved for the number. So both sides add 20. So you have 9y is equal to 23. Then both sides divide by 9. Okay, 23/9. Okay? So lately, every day, you are experiencing, I would say, solving equation as a drill. And so practice, okay? Enough practice allowing you to remember the process. The question is asking you to work on a process. Okay, the math skill compensated by using calculator. So once again, I'm not going to give any individual excusing or I don't understand. It's a process. Okay? Just like you're driving a car, you see the stop sign, you stop the car. All right? So every day after I finish the lesson, those individuals still struggle, you may want to, I would say, work on the same example again until you fully comprehend this process. Okay? Try to digest every single step. So that's more or less solving equation is all about. All right? So so that's it. That's what I want to talk about with related to math this morning. Okay? There's so a couple items I want to talk about. The number one, of course, is how we go about to, I would say, to run, okay, to finish the week. So tomorrow, basically, we're starting the review process, and so that would include also word problem, okay, word problem review, solving equation review, and Friday is the test. So the second item is after contacting some parents. The good news is now out of two classes of Math 9 I'm teaching, out of 55 of you, right now I'm getting 46 responses with relate to submitting assignment online, which is good. Is around 80%. 80% rate of return, which is very good. Okay? So I'm hoping by the end of this week, hopefully I'm able to get 100% response. I'm hoping. Thank you, by the way. Hopefully you're going to enjoy the week. All right? Now, so today assignment, so if you have the book, then if you turn to page 233, and 232, it just work on number 6. Try to do it with the idea you want to accommodate the upcoming test. So one question, one page. So I know you guys some of you are very good in crying and whining, and so by the time I see you again, hopefully I will see you soon. Hopefully before the end of the year, they're going to open the school. And then I am going to, of course, compensate you with papers. So please try not to complain about the amount of paper. So at this point here, I want you to do it. This assignment, work on it with the idea you want trying to prepare yourself for upcoming tests. Because upcoming test is one question, one page. Okay? Just like when you get a grade 10, the assessment exam, you're going to write for the ministry. It's also going to be one page, one question. All right, 230 to number 6. If you have the textbook, of course, you're not going to have any concern. So those people don't have the textbook. And here's the number 6. So you may want to take a picture of it. Or you want to start copy. Okay? And so like, for example, like up to question D, you have a bracket, right? So after you multiply both sides by the LCD, or in this case multiply by 5, then you open the bracket. Okay, so same idea. So tomorrow lesson, we're going to start, of course, what? Looking at how am I going to solve question F. So I'm going to start showing you question F tomorrow as a review. Okay? So another easy day. From now on, the good thing is, since we are focusing at, or I'm focusing at, okay, how am I go about to prepare you for the next level? Okay, so during this critical time, I know some individuals having issue at home. And number 1, number 2, I realize health is number 1. Your health is number 1. Physical health and mental health. Okay? So, but please, try your best. Okay? All right. And so I'm going to give you one more minute and see if you can just write down the number 6. So they are concerned, like, even though with me showing you the assignment question, if you are having like concern about lesson, right, you may want to get on with the website, name Khan Academy of Math, search solving equation. So it's another excellent site, give you another perspective of solving equation. Okay, so the site address, so this is the site address right here. Okay? So individuals are complaining about, oh, I don't understand you, Mr. Cheng. Well, then it's time for you to look at either this site or other math site. There are many of them. Okay? Many people are trying to preach the same concept online. All right, have a good day.